guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some more Cabin Simulator. Today we're playing with my friend Kaylee. She's right here. So we're gonna start our flight now. And yeah, okay, I'm going to choose the flight. I'm gonna create it and use my best airline, Skyline Air. Don't mind the other airlines, they're kind of just other airlines that I just have. Let's go for I'm going to use the A350. So let's actually customize it real quick. So I forget how many people it can hold, but we're gonna see. Liveries. British Airways has A350s. Where did they get those? Okay, this is kind of scary. Starbucks. Qantas, how come it's like, what the heck? The games, some of the airlines are so weird. Delta also has A350s, I know. Instead of 787s, they're gonna get them, but then opt and then got the A350.
I really love it.
Let's go to London. Actually, no, we always go to London. Honolulu. Okay, we're gonna go to Honolulu instead because I can't. So to make sure this is a good flight, we're gonna have all of this stuff. So why not? And then we're gonna spin this because I haven't spun it in a while. Should have like 3 spins remaining, but. Severe turbulence? Alright. Okay, what's this? A vlogger, okay. VIP, severe turbulence, Karan, medical, and lost pet. We're not gonna do any of them because I don't feel like it. Okay, we're gonna need a second because Kaylee still has to join. She's like just getting in now. Let me change the flight number. Alright, let's go. I think we're ready. Now, I'm gonna invite her. Oh, I forgot I already have pilots. Okay. I'm gonna invite her now. How is everybody a novice flight attendant? I've been playing this game for so long and I don't even have a novice. Like, I'm still a beginner, it says, for some reason. Oh, I'm looking at this wrong. Thought it was the A380 flight. We're gate 2. I'm not going that far. Give me my bag, please. I got places to be. Okay, I'm going over here. You guys are taking too long. I got places to be. I got a flight to catch. I'm calling security if you guys go this slow again. Alright, we just got here. Dang, the gate door was already opened. What the heck am I doing? Why am I going side to side? There's no crocodile or alligator trying to chase me. Why am I going side to side? Economy, I know they don't look comfy, but the people who ride on here, like the YouTubers and stuff, all they care about is that it has a TV. Because all the classes have TVs. It's probably gonna take a while for everybody to get here, so okay, can we at least have this section of it? Like, because there's so many people trying to get on. It's just an overloaded flight. Okay, I think it's an overloaded flight. We have all the seats taking up. That means it's overloaded. 108 people. I forget how many people this plane can hold. It's probably like 156. If I wanted to count, I would, but I don't got time to. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay. 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 42, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, and 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77, 79. 79 seats count. I'm not counting economy. 79 at the moment. 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 101, 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, 113, 115, 117, 119, 121. Start recording. 123, 125, 127, 129, 131, 133, 135, 137, 139, 141. Didn't 141 seats? We have 100. Hold up, economy's already. Wait, hold on. I'm so stupid. How's y'all's doing? Why is the A350 cockpit so small? The ERJ probably has a bigger cockpit than this, which is just insane. I think there might be more people coming out now.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
I left her out the door. My bad. Alright. We are going to lock the multiplayer use for a bit. Turn on blue lights. There. Wow, business class is empty. There's like an area with like no people. I mean, yeah, there's only 108 out of the 145 people who can fit on here. A350 look all long. Forget the 777's longer, but who cares? How does Airbus always just make these long aircrafts? Plus, I feel like they hyperextended the A330 for the A340 and hyperextended its wings.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
There's no way. No way in any defying gravity in the rubber duck dimension of Earth There's no way we're about to take off that fast. I'm shocked myself. I've never taken off this fast. I was in an ERJ the other day, and a 777 spawned right there, and I got on the runway. How disrespectful and utterly rude of them. When I see them again, I'm gonna teach them a lesson to not do that again, because the plane could crash because of. What type of takeoff is this? Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with this airline. Yo, the airline has such a slacky takeoff. Okay, what's happening in the cockpit? That's my question. Finally, we're smoothing it and in out. If you guys do any hard landings, I'm firing you guys, and I'm getting new A350-1000 pilots. What are you staring at, heart face?
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Alright. Oh, I forgot we have a can't speak. A hot towel service. Here, let's make some interactable windows. There. I'm gonna lift up your window today. No, you only paid for the seat and the drinks and food. You're not even in. Okay, you didn't pay for the window. The airline paid. And I'm taking this one down a bit. Ew, why do you have it shut? Ew, why do you have it shut? Because I can! Who is the manager of this airline? I literally am the one who got this airline to change to Skyline Air and not no Air 10, because Air 10 sounded crappy. Okay. I'ma make an announcement. Where's... Oh. Hi everyone. This is the manager of the airline. Oops, I misspelled attendant. Alright, this is the manager of the airline speaking. The airplane's having some technical difficulties. We're probably going to take an emergency landing. Also, the bathroom has been shut down because somebody clogged the toilet last flight. Don't worry, we're upset of it too. So we have Walmart trash bags under the seat. So if you need to use the restroom, you can. Also, the pilots are working virtually here, so they're not going to be able to fly the plane. So we're asking somebody with a valid pilot license to come up here and fly the plane. And if nobody has it, we'll just choose somebody at random, and whoever it is will be flying the plane for us today. Which is probably why we had a crappy takeoff, because they're on here online. Thanks for flying with Skyline Air. I think this airline had like 3 names, like we're on our 3rd name. So first we had Air 10, then Flying Air, which wasn't the best. But the alliance that I have actually got renamed to Flying Alliance because instead of Flying Air and then the Flying Air Alliance, Air 10 Alliance, I changed my airline name to Skyline Air and then changed the alliance name to Flying Alliance. Yeah, know for sure if I did, but who cares?
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Also, the flight attendants, if you're on our next flight because you have a double route, they will be working virtually because every single one of them got sick because you guys kept coughing with your mouth open. So they will be working virtually from home too. And we will lose focus with them when we're about 10,000 feet in the air. And we're supposed to climb 45,000 feet in the air. So you may want to get your drinks once the plane starts up. We hope you enjoy your flight on British Airways, Skyline Air. I don't know why we have a British Airlines livery, but it's because we don't got the money to paint a full-on aircraft. You know, I don't think my viewers...
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Have you guys ever seen my other airline? I forget what I named it. It was like they always crashed. Unsafe Airlines. Basically, we have like the biggest plane we have is the A320 in that airline, and they've crashed every single one aircraft. I think only like one flight actually landed properly, and we didn't count that as a flight because it was too safe. Let's go, we're landing. If you guys make a bad landing, I'm gonna scream at the top of my lungs. I'll go grab a whistle and I'll blow it on you. And I'll tell you it's loud. It is loud. It is loud. This already doesn't look like a good approach. Where is the runway? Yo, align with the runway. I know there's no wind here. Oh, this is the worst approach. This is the worst approach ever. What are you doing hovering up right now? Everybody, we have online pilots, that's why we landed so hard. Again, we are sorry about this. The pilots know better. I'm gonna blow the whistle at them as loud as I can once I'm done this video. We reached 300 flights? Let's go! This is exciting. Oh look, our gate's right there. Barely do more. Okay, we got a water salute. I'm so excited for this water salute. I haven't had one since I got London, which was before my 250 flight goal. We're gonna welcome everybody to Honolulu. Yay! Hopefully we don't smack these fire trucks because these wings way too big. That way through your water, but thank you. But we got a deep clean. Thank you guys for that. Okay. Wrong one. How am I only a trainee flight attendant? How am I only a trainee flight attendant? I swear, everybody I know is a novice flight attendant. I'm stuck over here as a trainee flight attendant. I've done so many missions. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, that aircraft is too loud. This is Honolulu. I'm not opening all the doors. I need to find an exit. I need to find an exit out of this aircraft. Let's go. Oh my. I almost had it. I hope you guys know I'm firing you guys, especially you. You're never working here again. We're getting you a deviation. Please enter the number below on that paper. The other one gets to stay because they didn't do the landing.
Stop. You off the plane?
I'm still on this. Alright, let's see how everybody's doing. We'll open up the curtains. Also, next flight, the flight attendants aren't going to be here. They can't even work virtually, so we won't have any food on this flight. And also, well, you can have food, but you guys are gonna have to fight to get the food because, yeah. Because, you guys will, since nobody's telling you what you can and cannot eat, you can just get something from business class as an economy person, so. I'm taking off my uniform. Well, I need to. This is my new avatar. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet, but I'm kind of a bacon now. But it's because the wings were kind of getting on my nerves because they'd always get in my way. So this is now my new avatar. I have this Nerf bar, which I actually have in real life. It's pretty cool. Like, right under the black and yellow part, that orange part, that, loads up the gun. Yeah. Ooh, 6,170 skybucks comes to me.
I got 3,000.
This was an awesome flight. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Goodbye.